welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you back. Today we are creating another lovely decoration. I'll be using a hula hoop, a lamp stand. I already opened the hula hoop on both sides and I'll be showing you how I'll be using it. I'll be transforming this into this. Join me as we go together, guys. This cardboard, I got it in the store, so that's what I'll be using to cover the arch. In order to create space at the back of the arch, when I will be attaching the balloon, you know, since we'll be covering the arch with the cardboard, so I'll be using the long balloon, putting it, wrap it around the lamp stand before I attach and gum the paper to the arch, just like this. Yeah. So guys, this is the arch after attaching the cardboard to it. You can see that our long balloons are on the edges, but this is the back of the arch, so which means that we can easily attach our balloons without it showing that without the attachment showing. This is the front of the arch, guys. You can see that our long balloons were well disguised. So this is what we have on the front. I covered the carton with paper. I also got this from the store. So, but just a quick disclaimer, the final outcome of this decoration was not a green paper covering the carton, but I lost that recording. I couldn't find it. So, but this would give you an idea of how we attach the paper on the cardboard which gave the arch a beautiful shape. So it doesn't mean if you're using the green part or the white part, it came out very, very beautifully. This is our balloons. We'll be attaching it, building our arch and attaching it to the stand. Let's go on, guys. I used some double stuffed balloons. I usually like the outcome. If you use double stuffed balloons, you would see that it gives a unique color or beauty to your garland or whatever you're building. But in this particular decoration, I mixed it. I used some double stuffed and some single balloons, which gives that, you know, that variation of colors. So guys, the ministry of this our decoration went outside. Yes, moved outside. So you see that I changed the paper on the carton, on the carton, from green to white. I just flipped the paper. Which one do you prefer, guys? Is it the white background or the green background? So this is the setup of our decoration. It's actually for my daughter's birthday. She turned 6. Happy birthday, dear daughter. We love you so much. She really enjoyed herself. Guys, wish my daughter a very happy birthday. It was so much fun, and this is the final outcome of this decoration. I love the outcome. I love the color. I love the combination. I really loved working on these colors, and I love the outcome of the backdrop. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section, guys, and please leave us a thumb up. Don't forget to check our other videos, guys, and also please share this video, connect with us on social media, and see you in our next video. Bye for now, guys. We love you.